Brad Williams, XL Prime, just to review. Sometimes the substitute will test you. I just want to go back over substitute alone without all the nuisance in front and behind. Substitute finds and replace text. Case sensitive. We have our text. We have old text, new text, and in some cases an instant. Here we have substitute B5. What are we going to do? If there's a specific character you want replaced, identify it, hard code it, and then new text, instant number 1. This is the instant to replace. If not supplied, all instances are replaced. And in other words, this is 1. This will be 1, 1. And you won't be able to see it. Here we have 3. What I mean by 1? By 1 is if there are multiple T's in here. For example, if we go here and we put T, we're going to replace that 1 T with the B and leave that second. Now, if we put 2 here, 2, we're going to reverse it. We're going to replace that second T with the B. Here, what are we doing? We have substitute B6, TB3. 3. We can move this 3 and identify a specific, a word or part of a sentence. It doesn't have to be married just to this word. All we did is, there's 3 T's in there, and we replaced 1 T with the B. Over here, you can review this. There's some ideas, there's some tips here. You can massage this stuff a little bit. You can manipulate it. Just a quick review and more to come. Brad Williams, XL Prime.